how to change your furnace filter. You're going to come down to your furnace and find the part between the airflow into the actual machine. You're going to remove this and find a filter. You're going to want to notice the airflow. You're going to take that out. You're going to find the new one. And you're going to put it back in. And close it up. It's that simple. Now if you have a fan going, you can turn your fan off so that it's easier to take out your filter. The way that the airflow should be coming from this base into the machine. Thank you.